In this short video, I will be teaching you how to navigate the new interface of Silidv version 2. So basically, you will be learning 4 things: how to log in, how to check your activities, how to upload your output, and how to join the video conferencing during synchronous session. Okay, let me start with how to log in. So open your Google Chrome or any web browser you are more comfortable using. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Then type in the URL. The URL for Silidv version 2 is silidv2.co. Then log in by typing in here your login credentials. Okay, the login, your email address and your password. Click login. And this is now your main dashboard of the Silidv LMS. You have here the list of classes. Now, if you are enrolled to 8 subjects, then you expect 8 class cards. Then you can classify your class cards according to core subjects or to specialized subjects by simply dragging the subjects from the unclassified section to your own classification, like your PE. Okay, these are just example class cards. Now, then the moment you have already logged in, you need to update your profile by clicking here the profile icon, click my account, then type in here your name. Let's say Juan Miguel H, and then update your public avatar by choosing any picture or your profile pic. Let's say your profile pic is this Erlenmeyer flask. Then click update. Okay, then you go back to the Silidv main dashboard. Then I suggest you bookmark your Silidv version 2 by clicking here the bookmark icon, the star sign here in the upper right corner of the browser. Edit bookmark, then type in here the name of the bookmark. Let's say Silidv version 2. Then you add this in bookmark bar so that it will appear right in your toolbar of your browser. So you have here already the Silidv version 2. So the moment you open your Google Chrome, then just simply look for this icon. Click this icon, then you will be directed to the main dashboard of Silidv version 2. Okay. So second, how are we going to look for the activities? Let's say you're trying to look for the activities or task for demo class. Okay, this is the subject's name, demo class. Okay, you click the demo class card, and then you have here the dashboard for the subject demo class. Okay, so to look for the activities, click this word activities. There are actually 3 types of activities: quizzes and exams, assignments, and materials. Okay, the materials, these are simply references, links, video links for you to read, assignments, and then the quizzes for long test and exams. Click activities, then you have here the list of all your activities for this particular subject. Now, each activity is labeled to do if that activity has not yet been performed. But once you have completed the task, this will be changed to word done. Okay, since none of these activities are done yet, then you have to accomplish these 3 activities. Now, the first activity is a task. So it's just click this task and then you read the instructions. Okay, from these instructions, you may be directed to certain links or video links for you to watch. Okay? Now, the second task is a quiz. So, how do you answer a quiz? Simply click this quiz 01 and then answer the quiz. Okay, answer, go on and answer, and then submit your answer. All right. Now, how about the third task, which is an assignment? Okay, let's click this assignment. Then click submit answer. Then type in here your answers. Just read the instruction. Read the instructions. You have here the questions. And then if you are asked to write all the answers here, just type in here your answer. Okay. Now, if you are going to write your answer in a separate file, for example, in Microsoft Word, and then you are instructed to save your document in PDF file, so how are you going to submit your output, your PDF output? You have here a link, or rather a clickable link, which is where you are going to attach the file. Attach file, then look for that file you created, and then submit. Okay, it's very easy. Now, how do we join? Okay, let's go back to our main dashboard. How do we join the video conference? Okay, you have here video conference. Click this one and then simply join the class. There are actually two ways of joining the class. Either clicking this video conference or clicking this play button in the lower center of the class card. Click this button, you will be directed to Google Meet video conferencing. Okay, let's try this. Join. So, and then ask to join. Okay. Now, if you have some questions or you need to communicate with your teacher, we have here a chat box. Okay, there are actually three ways to communicate with your classmates or with your teacher. Either you may use the chat box. Click this chat box. You have here a chat class. Type in here your message for the entire class. But if you want to direct your question to your teacher, type in here the credential of your teacher, like the email address of your teacher. Type in here and then put in here your message. You may also send a message to your teacher through this socials message board. Okay, type in here your message, and then you may attach pictures or any file and post. Okay, so are there questions? Then as soon as you're done with the activities, you have already submitted the task, the output, then you may log out. Log out. That's it.